How to make best assorted meat, ogbono and okra soup. This is the best recipe you can find both online and offline. This is my assorted meat, that is the cow strip, and this is the ogbono that I'm going to use. That's the seasoning, the blended crayfish, the cleaned and chopped vegetable. This is spinach, by the way. So I'm going to be using it along with the blended okra. So I grated this particular okra. At times I cut it into big pieces, at times I grate it. Now this is the smoked fish, and this is the assorted meat. Then I have a smoked turkey, and this is the palm oil. That's the palm oil. Now let us get started. So that is the tail. Is it the bum of the okra? I didn't want to dispose it off, so I blended it. Yeah, I blended it, and then now I'm adding the fish, the smoked fish. So I'm just stirring it so that it can mix very well, so that I can have a good mix. Yeah. So I just allow it to boil a bit, and then I'm turning in the palm oil without a proper measurement. There was a day my son said, "Mommy, how do you measure these things?" I said, "I just gauge it with my eyes." Yeah, because I've been cooking for years. So now it's cooking. I'm stirring it, mix everything together so that it can mix very well. So you know the turkey was inside that and the stock already, because the turkey is soft, so you don't need to boil and boil and boil. So I just added the cow strip now. So I've added the crayfish, blended crayfish. That's what I decided to use. Some people don't blend it, they just leave it like that, you know. So it's actually your choice. It's your choice. So I'm putting the ogbono directly. Yes, there are two ways of doing it. You can put the ogbono directly, or you can first mix the ogbono with the palm oil in a plate to smoothen it. But this didn't have a lot of lumps, so I didn't need to do that. So this is it. Our ogbono is boiling, so I've added the okra and I will stir very well. So the last thing I'm going to add now is the vegetable, and voila, our best assorted meat ogbono okra soup is